Imagine waking up one morning with no debt, 3 months of savings, and money left at the end of every month. Now the question becomes, what do I do with it? This is the moment you've been fighting for, when you stop surviving and start building wealth. Dave Ramsey calls it the shift, from defense to offense, and today you'll learn exactly how to do it, step by step. Welcome back to our finance book summary series on the Total Money Makeover. If you've followed the plan so far, you've saved $1,000 for emergencies, paid off all your debts with the debt snowball, built 3 to 6 months of expenses in your emergency fund. That's huge. Now, it's time to let your money start working for you. We're talking about baby step 4, invest 15% of your income, and baby step 5, save for your children's college. These are the steps that transform a stable life into a prosperous one. Let's start with baby step 4, invest 15% of your household income into retirement. Why 15%? Because it's the perfect balance between building wealth for tomorrow and still enjoying life and generosity today. You're not gambling, you're not guessing, you're building long-term wealth, the boring, consistent way. Dave Ramsey's rule is simple: if you invest steadily over time, you will retire with dignity. Here's how he breaks it down. 15% ensures you'll hit your retirement goal without depending on government aid. It keeps you motivated. You're building wealth while still paying off your house later. It avoids burnout. You're not overdoing it. You're balancing life and growth. Anything less than 15% and your future self will struggle. Anything more, and you might delay other priorities, like paying off your home early or saving for your kids. Now where should that 15% go? Ramsey recommends a simple, proven mix. Diversified mutual funds with a strong long-term track record. He suggests spreading investments evenly into 4 categories. 1 growth and income, large cap. 2 growth, mid cap. 3 aggressive growth, small cap. 4 international, global funds. These give you a balance between stability and growth. If your company offers a 401k with a match, start there. That's free money. Then invest the rest into Roth IRAs for you and your spouse. Why Roth IRAs? Because they grow tax-free. You pay taxes now, and your withdrawals later are completely yours. Ramsey isn't about timing the market, he's about time in the market. The longer you stay consistent, the more powerful compound growth becomes. You can't beat compound interest, it's the 8th wonder of the world. Start early, stay steady. Never cash out early. 2 friends, Ben and Arthur, prove Ramsey's point. Ben starts investing $2,000 a year at age 19. He stops at 26, just 8 years of investing. Arthur waits until he's 27 and invests $2,000 a year until he's 65. Who ends up with more money at retirement? Ben, the one who started earlier. Why? Because time beats contribution. Compound interest rewards patience. Once you're investing 15% for retirement, you move to baby step 5, saving for your children's college fund. Ramsey's philosophy is simple: you love your kids best when you prepare them, not when you enable them. College debt is the new epidemic. Over 40 million Americans owe more than $1.7 trillion in student loans. So the goal is clear: help your kids graduate debt-free. Here are Ramsey's favorite tools. 1 ESA, Education Savings Account, tax-free growth, up to $2,000 per child annually. 2,529 plan, for higher contributions and state tax advantages. Avoid using regular savings accounts, they lose value to inflation, and never borrow for education. If your kids are old enough, teach them to work, save, and earn scholarships. Because the lesson isn't just about money, it's about responsibility. Money lessons that change lives don't come from textbooks. They come from example. When your kids see you budgeting, giving and saving, you're shaping their future without saying a word. Ramsey says, more is caught than taught. When children grow up in a debt-free home, they inherit more than wealth. They inherit wisdom. 1. Invest 15% of your income for the future, consistently. 2. Start early, time beats money. 3. Diversify and stay steady. No quick wins, only compound growth. 4. Save for college, don't fund debt. 5. Teach your kids financial habits by living them. If you could go back in time, what's one thing you'd tell your younger self about money? And if you have kids, what's one financial lesson you hope to pass down? Share your thoughts below. Your story might inspire the next generation. You've gone from surviving to thriving, and now, your money is working for you. In the next episode, we'll move to baby steps 6 and 7, paying off your home early and building lasting wealth through generosity. So hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell, because your journey to true financial freedom is almost complete.